Hello, I'm Wening Rahayu, founder of NBIO Indonesia. We're here to introduce circular NanoBiochar, a climate-smart innovation that turns unmanaged organic waste into high-value solutions for soil, carbon, and communities. Across urban and peri-urban areas, organic waste piles up, unmanaged, underutilized, and often harmful. At the same time, soils are degrading, farmers are struggling, and climate targets remain unmet. We see this not just as a challenge, but as a massive opportunity to regenerate ecosystems and unlock new value chains. Our answer is circular NanoBiochar. We convert biomass into nano-enhanced biochar that restores soil health, reduces fertilizer dependence, and captures carbon. It's modular, scalable, and designed to fit local contexts, from farming plots to urban waste hubs. We've launched pilot projects in Indonesia and Saudi Arabia, secured early-stage funding, and built a platform that blends science, community, and sustainability. Now we're seeking strategic partners and impact investors to scale deployment, validate carbon credits, and expand licensing. NBIO Indonesia stands for education, sustainability, and remedies. NBIO Indonesia is no longer just an idea. We're operational, producing results, and ready to scale. With our biochar-based nanobiotech solutions, we tackle environmental challenges while unlocking regenerative economic opportunities. If you're looking to invest in climate-positive innovation with real-world traction and global potential, we're ready to talk to you. Find us and contact us from our social media and LinkedIn account at NBIO Indonesia. We're ready for the fast track because we have the team, the systems, and a clear mission. What we need now is access, acceleration, and strategic partners to take this innovation global. Thank you, and we look forward to running fast together.